Hello there, I am Zarion. This is my channel. Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you. I will continue grade 12 textbook on unit 5 is about maintenance and troubleshooting. Learning outcomes at the end of this unit, students will be able to practice installing and uninstalling software. How can we install and uninstall? How can we prepare specific software to use and how can we remove from a specific computer? The same temporarily using mobiles. You have to explain software troubleshooting. What do you mean by troubleshooting? When you say troubleshooting, not only it refers to software troubleshooting, it also refers to hardware troubleshooting. What do you mean by? You have to explain. You have to describe network troubleshooting steps, and as the last, identify network maintenance tools. Unit overview. To ensure the safety and security of computer systems, every system user should take preventive actions, including software preventive measures. When we use a day-to-day activity, digital systems, including the computer systems, we have to take care. We have to make a right safety when we use a computer. Just when you say software preventive maintenance means just choosing the right precaution methods to protect our computers from failure. Just there is a preventive measure and there is a troubleshooting. In case of preventive, just protecting a system from fail before fail. And after fail is troubleshooting, find out the solution. Software preventive maintenance includes upgrading. We have to upgrade our computer software. We have to install software updates for security and reliability purposes. When you computer up to date, it is by default it is protecting our computer from unwanted users and intruders over the internet. Especially, for instance, when we install, after installing our operating softwares, we have to check whether it is updated or not. Check for update, for instance, here. We have to check it. When it is updated, the security, including the securities are updated that it protects us. You are up to date, it says. We are using the latest system. When you are updating, the security measures or powers increase. For instance, every system has a firewall. Window Defender firewall. By default, it is on. Means it is the status is on means it protects or blocks all connection applications that are not allowed to use our systems, including informations. Therefore, we have to update always. We have to check whether it is updated or not. We have to check. With a strong software preventive maintenance activity, time and money can be saved on and future errors can be. The aim objective here is also some problems can be solved by students that we have to solve some problems. Minor problems can be solved by the students. This is a continuation of your previous grade 11 lesson. For instance, if your mouse is inactive or keyboard is in off state, you have to check the cable first. Just some minor problems cannot be moved to the maintenance rooms. You have to check and solve minor problems. That's why here the objective is also to know or to make you familiar with these skills, to address you the skill to use specific computer properly. For instance, this unit you learn about the installation and installation. For instance, when you want to install a specific software, not important to go to a maintenance room. To install by yourself, and when it is unwanted, to uninstall the software. Techniques used in software preventive maintenance and basic maintenance tools that can be applied in our day-to-day routines. Install and uninstall software. Users are able to perform some truly wonderful things with their computers and other digital devices. All of these activities, including reading books, digital photo editing, using online social media sites, playing computer games, video streaming, etc., are made possible by various kinds of softwares. Nowadays, thanks to technology, we have a variety of software categories. just including our mobile device. For instance, the best way is using a Play Store. Under Play Store, there are categories of softwares that we can install and use for the case of playing, for the case of social media, or for the case of reading books, or for the case of editing photo or video. Thanks to the technology, we have variety of softwares. Therefore, how can we install? When it is unwanted, how can we uninstall? May not be difficult as such here. We can check under control panel the installed softwares are registered under here and listed under registered under the computer address and listed here. Just for instance, if you want to if you have a administrator privilege, you can select a specific program and you can install. But first you have to check. The other option is just how can we download and install a specific software. Mostly in computer, when using a personal computer, we have variety of websites like hippo.com, filehippo.com, filehorse.com, the appropriate one. For instance, let me show you some example here, like filehorse.com for the cause of computer system. You can use this website. Here there are variety of softwares by category, mobile phone tools, for instance, here, browser softwares, VPN, DCS, social and communication, antivirus, video softwares, security softwares like antivirus, games, here file transfer and networking, system tuning, backup and recovery based software, office based softwares, developer audio softwares. There are categories like drivers also are active here. You can download and you can install into your system. This is the legal site that it's not have a virus. Installing software. Installation is basically the process of getting the program ready to run, including configuring hardware or software. When you say installation, basically the process of getting the program ready to run, including configuring hardware or software. We are configuring and we are making ready to use a specific software. When we say installation, it can also be referred to as a setup of computer software, which includes device drivers and software plugins. When you say device driver, it is a special kind of software program that controls a specific hardware device attached to a computer. For instance, if you want to change a soft copy into hard copy, you must have a printer. Therefore, how the printer works, it's have a device driver. Every printer, when we purchase any printer, it's have a model number, the printer, and the printer comes with the device driver. Therefore, we have to choose the right model and install, and we can use the device properly after installing this device driver software. Nowadays we have a variety of issues. For instance, installing software on personal computers just using a flash disk. After opening, mostly we use the setup. Let me demonstrate it. For instance, here I have the software here. For instance, if you want to install the Adobe Reader, for instance, okay, or if you want to AM3 software, just opening, then there is an .exe application. The type is application that you have to double click. Dialog box may not be such as difficult. We have to following the wizard and we can install easily. In case of mobile softwares, it's better to use the Play Store. Just rather than use receiving using your friend's extender, I mean from your friend's mobile phone using extender or Bluetooth, it's better to use Play Store because some hidden virus may also transfer from device to device. That it may not also compatible for your mobile device. To have the right and compatible software, it's better to use the Play Store. Under Play Store, writing or searching the specific program, then the program automatically, the Play Store automatically gives you the right and compatible software with your mobile device. That it is the appropriate place. Uninstalling software is not as such difficult. Uninstalling means unused or unwanted programs can help your computer in various ways. Can optimize hard drive space and increase computer speed. When we uninstall, indirectly we are optimizing our hard disk space and it increases the computer speed indirectly. Therefore, under control panel, selecting the program, then uninstall. May not difficult search here. Under control panel, here uninstall a program, selecting a specific program, then uninstall. Following the dialog box. But first you have to check the program that you want to remove or uninstall. In case of mobiles, under setting, then application, choosing the application, uninstall. Software troubleshooting. When you say troubleshooting, this is a systematic approach to locating the fault and identifying the cause of fault in computer system. Just finding out the problem or the fault of a specific computer or mobile and just finding out the solution is troubleshooting. When you say troubleshooting, it's not only software, it includes also the hardware problem. For instance, an application is slowly running in case of application frozen. If some specific computer application is frozen, the right choice is closing and reopen the application or uninstall under control panel, uninstall and installing again. The same to your mobiles. The second example is all programs on the computer run slowly. If all programs can run slowly, the possible solution is just finding out the right antivirus and install and scan out or formatting the system. Or it's better also, it's possible also to run disk defragmenters. If the sound is not working, if it is minor problem, just we can check by plugging a speaker or earphone. If it is desktop computer, then under taskbar we can check if it is unmuted. The aim or the goal here is also to make you familiar with some problems that may not take you a maintenance room. Here are the tools to speed up computer system. How can we speed our computer system? Disk fragmenter, using disk cleanup and window updates. Better to stop here. I will continue in next video. For today is thank you.